प्यारे बच्चों, टुडे वी स्टडी मार्कोनिक रूल। टुडे वी स्टडी मार्कोनिक रूल। तो बेसिकली मार्कोनिक रूल क्या है आपका? व्हेन ए अनसैचुरेटेड एल्कीन react with HBr, so we basically use unsymmetrical alkene. So here is unsymmetrical alkene. This name is 1 2 3. Prop 1 in, add HBr. Basically HBr break into H positive and Br negative, and due to here first is two product are seen. Here is seen two product. First product is when this hydrogen are add here and this Br are negative add here. This is the one product. Another product is this H is add here and this Br is add here. So basically here two product. First product name is 1 2 3, 2-bromopropane, and second product is 1 2 3, 1-bromopropane. Here is 2-bromopropane is major product. So why is this product is major? So it explained by Marconic rule. So Marconic rule say that the negative part of हेलो एसिड HBr का जो नेगेटिव पार्ट है, एडिशन टुवर्ड द लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट इन एल्कीन, कि आपकी जो एल्कीन है उस एल्कीन के साथ जो डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन है, आपकी हाइड्रोजन वहाँ जाएगी जिस डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन के साथ हाइड्रोजन मोर है। ज़्यादा हाइड्रोजन है जहाँ पे, वहाँ पे तो हाइड्रोजन जाएगी, और जहाँ पे जिस कार्बन के पास लेस हाइड्रोजन है वहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? आपका Br जाएगा। तो हेयर वी डिस्कस्ड बोथ प्रोडक्ट। फर्स्ट, दिस एल्कीन शो heterolysis cleavage. Due to heterolysis cleavage, first this carbon lose electron slightly positive charge and this carbon gain electron negative charge. First condition is this here. And another condition is when this carbon take 2 electron, this carbon is negative charge and this carbon is positive charge. So basically seen that when heterolytic cleavage take place, we are formed carbocation. When the carbon, the pi electron are moved this direction, we find secondary carbocation. But when this pi electron are moved here, so we find primary carbocation. So we know that secondary carbocation are more stable than primary carbocation. So that this compound, this intermediate, simply हम क्या बोलेंगे, this carbocation intermediate are more stable as comparison to this carbocation. So if we add Br negative, first we add hydrogen. So hydrogen H positive are add this carbon. So formed CH3, CH positive, CH2 or H, hydrogen are add. When Br, this Br negative add here. So we formed CH3, CHBr, CH3. This is the major product. This major product name is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. The stability of carbocation is primary, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation and then primary carbocation. So more stable carbocation are formed than addition of H positive or Br negative. The compound are formed major product in Marconic rule. तो बेसिकली मार्कोनिक रूल को एक बार और बता देते हैं कि मार्कोनिक रूल क्या होता है। The Marconic rule are basically द नेगेटिव पार्ट क्या आपका Br नेगेटिव पार्ट एडिशन along the unsaturated center carbon carbon double bond are add here where less number of hydrogen present. आपकी लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होगी वहां तो क्या जुड़ेगा आपका Br नेगेटिव, और जहां पे मोर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होगी वहां पे आपका क्या जुड़ेगा H पॉजिटिव. दिस इज द नॉर्मल मार्कोनिक रूल. अनदर टॉपिक इज हेयर वी स्टडी एंटी मार्कोनिक रूल. सो एंटी मार्कोनिक रूल या इसका अनदर नेम है पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट, और इसका थर्ड नेम है केरास इफेक्ट. फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है कि आपके पास अनसैचुरेटेड एल्कीन होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट कंडीशन अनसैचुरेटेड एल्कीन. सेकंड कंडीशन क्या है आपकी कि एडिशन ऑफ HBr इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेरोक्साइड. बेसिकली मैकेनिज्म क्या है इसका, आपका जो एंटी मार्कोनिक रूल है वो ओबे करता है फ्री रेडिकल चेन मैकेनिज्म. किसको ओबे करता है? फ्री रेडिकल चेन मैकेनिज्म. सबसे पहले क्या होगा, आपकी जो पेरोक्साइड है, पेरोक्साइड के अंदर क्या क्लीवेज होगा? होमोलिटिक क्लीवेज. होमोलिटिक क्लीवेज का बेसिक मतलब क्या है कि इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कोवलेंट बाउंडेड इलेक्ट्रॉन. So here we, due to homolytic cleavage, first we formation of free radical. Simple example लेते हैं. C6H5 C double bond O O O C double bond O C6H5. It is a peroxide. Due to homolytic cleavage, it form C6H5 C double bond O O free radical. Then due to loss of carbon dioxide, this form phenyl free radical. So due to formation of phenyl free radical, this free radical react with HBr. In HBr, due to homolytic cleavage, H free radical plus Br free radical. Due to this H free radical are combined with C6H5 free radical, form C6H6 plus Br free radical. So this Br free radical are connected with unsaturated unsymmetrical alkene. Unsaturated and unsymmetrical alkene. So this unsymmetrical alkene, due to homolytic cleavage, this electron goes here and this electron goes here. It is form free radical. Here are two type of free radical. CH2 free radical are primary free radical and this CH is secondary free radical. So due to secondary free radical are more stable than primary free radical, this Br free radical are connect this CH. So CHBr CH2Br free radical. First is here this. But in this case we formed primary free radical. But if this Br free radical are connect this CH2, so we are formed secondary free radical. So we know that stability of secondary free radical are more stable than primary free radical. So this free radical complex is more stable. So this free radical is more stable, so that another is here we study. So CH3 CHB CH free radical CH2Br, this is the secondary free radical, react with HBr. Due to homolytic cleavage, H free radical plus Br free radical, or this H free radical are combined to this carbon, formed CH3 CH2Br. CH3 CH2Br. So this is the major product of anti-Marconic rule. And another is complex is here. So this is the primary free radical. So if H free radical and Br free radical, this H free radical connect to here CH3 CHBr CH2H. It is the minor product 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. So in anti-Marconic rule, this is the major product due to secondary free radical. Another is important part of in this reaction, why in peroxide effect does not observed in HCl and HI, because HCl bond is strong, having large amount of energy to break down CH bond, almost 430.5 kilojoule per mole. Due to HCl bond are strong, to breaking are not easily. But in case HI, HI bond are weaker due to breakdown into H free radical plus I free radical. This iodine free radical are combined to another free radical to form iodine molecule, so that HCl and HI does not study in anti-Marconic rule and peroxide effect. Thank you very much.